Pak bro. Nong Russia bakran Khasi.
Piat, roti brown, sosau.
Yes.
Semua ngok. Nong Russia bakran Khasi. Idan hang ni aja kazu ni mentah. Atrai bun na pi bala i kan ko video. Ita ide i kata channel keteng kam Marina ke bani ma. Kani kade syapang ita i Russia i bayo lo Khasi. I bala on station ni. Akaba i persang ban keren Khasi wat kalong kai ka ba i ternat ba bar ka ba i per ba ma. Ban i kiwe kita ben riu na kiwe kiri bagi persang ban keren ya kani ka ketin ni. Kalong kai ka ba seternat ba bar ka ba long plai ma. Nji ta ma mana ti akan ni ke video ka ba menta. Ini pet lang yung syapang ini ikong kering kong Marina. I love ba ini i Khasi. Amtep kisah kertang jadi iba ro kertang amtep. Try kita nang ni apa selong hina, syai'na. But haswa pangina sedang berpegin ke video nga kerpat iban pinya like subscribe ya kan ni ka channel. Like menta, subscribe menta, wat penslam wat le suki ai dum dan dung gain. Hot. Nataru sakawe ngam ko ban ong bang labo sakawe pat ka YouTube channel ka bang le de kiwi pat vlogs ngam le reaction. Nan reaction nak ni ka channel ka bang le menta bar ha ka to channel ngan le kiwi pagi cai video ni agar pat de pi ma. Subscribe ma. Please subscribe sir. Para kasita malay long baik ta ban subscribe. Ma. Hoti. So ba ni subscribe lang ka to channel thamai. Pat ngam sa pen mi ki vlogs Ma bas. Dom basru piap hi. Ma. Di ngam you. Di muka orang Islam yang ni apa nak kena video. Ya. Teh kau Marina.
Say tangan.
Nan.
Tangan.
Nan.
Tangan. Tambah terima lah. Jan nama. First try kita.
Hungry.
Oh.
Say ngala tangan.
Nan.
Nga.
Nga.
La.
La.
Tangan.
Nan.
Okay. Yeah, bam no. Means let's go. People have been saying this a lot that you should start speaking in Khasi. What do you think about that?
Guys, I can't even count anymore amount of people who were asking me to speak Khasi, but honestly, no one wants me to speak Khasi more than I want to speak by myself. Best way to learn new language, to learn it in a natural environment. So my idea to go to the shop and buy what we need, and I will try to.
Skuin mai kini ni ki hab ha. Skuin ma tang haru ngaku ni yang nak buat lok parang nak fingar.
Buy using Khasi language. We need to buy butter. So how butter to say Khasi?
Mokon.
Onion.
Piat.
What?
Piat.
Piat.
Yes.
Brown bread.
Roti brown they call it.
And tomatoes.
Sosau.
Sosau. So mokon, piat, roti brown, sosau.
Yes.
Okay, now we need to know how much kadno, right?
Kadno.
Like, do you have this? How do I ask?
You can just say kong pidan.
Pidan means
Do you have?
Pidan makon.
Yes.
Kong pidan makon. Kong pidan makon.
Hishat dah na.
Take money.
Langsung ternat bahasa itu ikan kong pidan makan.
Shim. I need to pay. There is a numbers, right?
Yeah.
So.
Nriu po. Nyo po.
My favorite song.
Nyo. Shispa.
140. It's Shispa Sampo.
Shispa sampo.
How to say thank you?
Kublai.
Kublai, of course.
Kublai shibon.
Kublai Shibon.
Yes.
Something else? What I need to?
I think that's it. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, here's the shop, and first we will try to buy from here makon and roti brown.
Makan roti brown.
Here's the line.
Lagi ni apa? Kumai ila. Ila anam.
Kong, bidon makon. Dan ila makon.
Ai.
Ai makon.
Ai makan.
Bidon.
Kita gibri kira apa je dah nah ni. Ini ni lah Shri itu kak ani jing so koi center.
I
Ani Shrisa.
Artily.
Artly.
It's good, good.
Katno.
Sispa Arpo.
Shispa Arpo. Spa
Oh, ito. Okay. Yeah, now it's correct.
Kublai Shibun. Okay, first one done.
First one done. Now.
Second shop we're going
Vegetables.
for Piat. And
Sao.
so sao.
Yes.
So sao.
You know what to call him?
Baba.
Baba.
Bidon Piat.
Dan pian. Oh.
Tembe rupiat tayong tay.
I
So
sao.
So don't help.
Sorry,
me.
sorry.
I so sao.
So sao.
So sao. Kadno? Nrupo. Did we learn this?
Yes.
Nrupo.
Yes.
Cô mấy có về lại vậy
60.
Dog. Shikilo.
Shikilo.
Ya, parang.
Kublai. Sama aku tiga.
Ini ram masuk sal.
Some I half kg.
She 10 kilo.
She 10 kilo. I think she 10 kilo. Shim.
Try something different.
Sini kah?
What do you have?
Tak sini.
Alumuri. You want to try?
Alimuri, what is it?
You'll see. You'll see.
Alumuri. Wow, ini bang alumuri. Ngita ngi bang plat alumuri. Sure itu Nong
Do I
Russia
eat
bang
it with this?
Dada.
Aku marah kira. Balik nongom ta.
It's like a fair work of taste in my mouth right now.
How is
A
it?
little bit salty. And I don't
Parang
know.
India atang lah
So
ibang.
many things is going on in my mouth right now.
Is it tasty?
That's interesting. I'm just still trying to process what am I eating. Interesting spoon.
Paper, da?
And
Paper
wait,
spoon.
paper. Traditional style.
That's not traditional paper. That's just using paper.
It's just
From a magazine, it could be dirty, although you never know. It's
magazine.
harmful actually. How was the entire experience?
that was really interesting, and I like to use Khasi language. I was happy that people actually were trying to help me. That I really appreciate.
Really helpful,
So
huh?
good. Yeah, so good.
I mean, they were patient though.
Yes, and now I think I will try to speak more Khasi.
Yep. Good job for the first trial. It's a good one.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning. See you next episode. Nih, si Itanan. Itanat pa. Day ng parlok. Parlok! Kumno! Na-try pun buon na piba ya pet kanya video. Buon na piba i kanya video. Kita kibam pad ita sababan saya pet biang saya kaling karena po description jangan mah Marina Karbani. Nggak subscribe entah, nggak like na ni upload like entah. Tapi lah abang ing tu ba ikong keteng i Marina. Iwan Russia, Iwan Shong Khasi ni, bat i persang ban kren Khasi. Di kalau ke ka bahasa tenat mo, ba i persang ban mo ba im le ran kwa ban experience ban explore ka ni ka jaka jungi ka culture jungi kumno kalong kumno ki kren di Kong Marina tes Kong Marina you did well ma you did well Kong Marina. Thì persang show ban kren speak more Khasi. You can do this, alright. Thì itanat bahala ra kren Khasi kinong way ngam te balai tamasya itanat bahala kren Khasi ki way kinong way kan. kalong interesting mah ta. Ti ling ba jong i ma ngathrai ling ba jong i ki chat bendriu jong i ma na po Russia kin sa tip sepangani ka kari ka khasi jong i sepangani ka culture jong i ba kalong ka bas ngop tanat ma ba kani ka khasi jong i kan sa pau kan ka perthai ma ba ki breu kin tip sepang jong i bat kin sawan ban pet ya kani ka ri jong i nama kalong kari ka ba itanat sha bat kublai shibun i kong marina bat i ba amte bi kerteng ni ba pia bas ba ber arngut te sarang penmi show i video ba itanat ba bas te nang kiu sha phrang bat insai sham par aku ke video kublai shibun